Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the simplest way of how to add USDC to your Phantom wallet. So if you want to add USDC to your Phantom wallet, for this case, if you come on this list over here, on the token list, you may not see USDC listed. But what you can do is to click on buy. Once you click on buy, you come and search for USDC. So when you search for USDC, you see that you have 3 coins of USDC, all with different networks. The first one is Solana, next one is Ethereum, then the last one is Matic. Okay, so you select the one for Solana and then input the amount of money I want to spend to buy this USDC. So for this case, I'm assuming I'm spending $600 to buy USDC. So after inputting the $600, I'll click on next. Once you click on next, it will load up the Coinbase on-ramp, and on the Coinbase on-ramp, you have to prepare your card and the bank details so that you can pay using this. So once you click on this, it will then prompt you to load up on the Coinbase official website, and then you have to log in. And then when you log in, you have to pay using the bank details or your card details once again. So once you're done paying using your bank details, automatically you receive the USDC coins onto your Phantom wallet. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's the simplest procedure to do this. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet